Mastering irregular adjectives, making comparisons fun. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into an exciting and slightly tricky aspect of English language learning: irregular adjectives. But don't worry, we're going to make this journey as fun and easy as possible. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using irregular comparative and superlative forms. Let's get started. Before we talk about irregular forms, let's recap. Adjectives describe qualities of nouns. When we want to compare these qualities, we usually add "er" for comparative, like smaller, and "est" for superlative forms, like smallest. But irregular adjectives don't follow this rule. They change completely or in an unusual way. Examples include good becoming better and best, or bad becoming worse and worst. Let's look at some commonly used irregular adjectives. Good becomes better, comparative, and best, superlative. Bad changes to worse and worst. Far transforms to farther, further and farthest, furthest. Little becomes less and least. Much, many become more and most. Remember, practice is key. Try to use these adjectives in your daily conversations or writing. Knowing the forms is one thing, but using them correctly in sentences is another. Let's go through some examples. This book is good, but that one is better, and this one here is the best. My coffee is bad, but yours is even worse, and his is the worst I've ever tasted. This store is far, that one is farther, but the other one is the farthest. Notice how each adjective compares different degrees of the same quality. And there we go. You're now more knowledgeable about irregular adjectives and their comparative and superlative forms. It may seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master these in no time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, learning English can be a fun journey, not just a destination. Until next time, happy learning!